Here is the bridge. Let's walk up there and check out the vibes over there of the waterfall, which is just over there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wonder what the name of the stream is. Getting a little bit cloudy as well. Maximum of tourists 10. What? Ah, 10 down that way. It's another way you can go. We came up this way and now you can go down that way. Anyway, let's head up these stairs, eh? Alright guys, we have made it here to Thac, the Love Waterfall in Sapa. Beautiful. And guess what? I'm the only person here. There's no one else here. Only me. It's great to come to places where you're the only person. And look at all the fauna and flora, all the trees, the insects. Beautiful. This whole surrounding is beautiful. There's the waterfall, man. I actually want to go down there and walk across and have a bit of a swim. You can actually walk across it. They've made like some steps down there. I guess you can walk down this way. There you go, guys. Thac, beautiful waterfall nestled here at the top of one of the mountain ranges in Sapa. Now Sapa is around 1500 meters above sea level, and this is about another 500 or 600 meters above that, probably even a little bit more than that actually. I think we're up like around 2000 meters above sea level, 2000, 2500. That's awesome. I love the water. You know, I've been to all the waterfalls, Bangzok waterfall, the one in Thailand, waterfalls everywhere. I just love water and the essence of H2O. Anyway, we're gonna go down there and dip our feet in. And what I might also do, guys, is throw the fly cam up over there, over the trees, and try and get a good look at where the water is actually coming from. It's probably just coming from a long, massive stream. Like, we call these streams because they're smaller than a river. So I guess it's coming from a small stream up there, or it could even be coming from a massive lake or a dam. So we won't know until we throw the fly cam up, which is a really good bonus for having a fly cam, as you can see things that the majority of people can't. Most people that come to these places, like tourists, just have their phone and just take standard shots using their phone. But if you have a drone fly cam, you can see stuff that the majority of people don't, and that's the extra bonus. And that's what we really want to do, is look at stuff that not many people can see here. So let's throw the fly cam up and get some drone vibes of Thac, the Love Waterfall here in Sapa, Vietnam. All right, guys, so I met up with brother Zach and a couple of friends. They've come along as well, and we are going to head back now from the waterfall and head to a place to give us a bit of a tobacco bath. It's like traditional tobacco bath we're going to take. So we're going to head on out, make our way back. All right, guys, so my friend Zach and a couple of friends met me here at the waterfall, and we've come all the way back up to the car park area, as you can see. And I'm just checking out this board here, and there's a bit of a story about this waterfall. It says, in the old days, when 7 fairies went down to find the source of fresh water, it was the first time the 7th fairy met O Quy Ho, the son of God named Ai Lao. So basically the story is a couple went down to the waterfall there, met up, probably, you know, done it. The father didn't like it, and so the story says, legends. Anyway, guys, we're going to head back into Sapa and check out the vibes. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. It's been an awesome day checking out the waterfall here. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys. Peace.